We have to do away with the police officers who are killing innocent Kenyans. We have to do away with those people. Kilichoanza kama kukamatwa kwa madai ya kuchapisha habari za uongo sasa kimegeuka kuwa kilio cha taifa, huku kukiwa na shutuma za mateso, kuficha ukweli na kupuuza waziwazi haki za binadamu. Mwanahabari wetu Sharon Momanyi na habari kuhusu ghadhabu inayoongezeka ya umma na maswali yenye kutatanisha yanayozunguka saa za mwisho za Keujwang.
Hali ya hewa jijini Nairobi leo ilijaa hasira na simanzi.
We have to do away with the police officers who are killing innocent Kenyans. We have to do away with those people. Those DCI who arrested this Albert, they must be arrested. They must be arrested. You cannot tell us that you are doing away with OCS and some few officers who are at the station and they never arrested this guy. Of course they knew what had happened. But the people who arrested this young man all the way from Migori to Nairobi, those are the people. We can't go on like that, Bana. We can't keep killing young people, innocent young people. We can't, Bana. We can't. We really can't keep killing young people like that. We cannot. We should not. It should not be. We cannot normalize killing people. No, Bana.
Your comrade.
No, that is not what we are trying to do. We were trained to kill killers. I was trained to kill killers. The likes of Al-Shabaab and murderers. People who have committed capital offenses under penal code. Those are the people, if you meet them and you know they are danger to the society, come forth. Sawa. Yeah? Those are the people we are trained to kill, not innocent people who are just writing on screen. You with some big egos. Oh, si you meandikiwa kwa mitandao, oh, akake ati unaambiwa nini? You can be abused. I mean, Donald Trump, the American president, is abused every day. He is abused every day. Who are you? I hate it when some few police officers wanapaka tope polisi wengine ambao they are working so hard every day. I feel bad. It feels very bad. I am a former police officer, so I feel bad when jina inaharibiwa tu na watu ambao wanapenda tu unapiga. Acha nipige habari.